AMD has been in the news lately, so is it worth a further look? Well, let's put it through the pulse framework and find out together. I'm going to switch to the Excel view. Give me a second and put in the ticker, which is obviously AMD. And let's wait for the data to load and take a look. All right, well, let's start with economic profits, the P. Well, this is kind of an ugly chart. I'm sorry, I know that's not what you wanted to hear, but it is. It's cyclical. It's, the company is barely earning its cost of capital, so I would say not particularly amazing right here. The U, the underlying free cash flow, also not great. I mean, hey, at least it's positive free cash flow, at least in the last 5 years. But then if you look at the free cash flow conversion ratio, the free cash flow to net income, that's in the low 40% range. That's not good. So overall, say okay. You know, leverage is where it shines. That's actually has excess cash, so that's great. Nothing else to say here. But then we get to the valuation metrics, and ooh, oh boy. So we got the S, the smooth free cash flow yield, which is less than 1%. So 0.5%. Just let me level with you what this means. This means this is trading at 200 times, smooth free cash flow. Now, if you don't need me to tell you that that's pretty darn expensive. And looking at the EV cap rate, which looks at the enterprise value and also at the last 12 months as opposed to kind of a smooth rolling average, 1.5%, that is super expensive, meaning very high expectations. So if I were to put everything together, you have mixed fundamentals and extremely expensive valuation. So if there was ever a clear pass for me, this would be it. So definitely moving on and not spending too much time here. If you want to do this yourself for any stock in your portfolio or on your watch list, the template link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.